Yo, what's up, everybody? How we doing today? Hold on, let me put on some music for y'all. Turn it down a little bit. What's good? Welcome in, everybody. Thank you for joining the chat. Thank you guys for pulling up. We're about to go live outside. What's good, Devious? We're about to do some outside work. I got my Revive Auto t-shirt. That's my cousin's shop in Canada. If you know, you know. We're about to go do the damn thing, chat. Check in, need to do my stream. You have TikTok stream on. Yo, I appreciate that, Fatal. Thank you, brother. How's the stream going today? What you got going on today? W Mustang, yes sir. What's up, Chillin' Pete? What is it? Screen?
What? Screen?
Why are you saying screen?
TikTok? Trying to fastest I've ever seen fire move in my life. Holy man. I'm gonna make this man run, bro. Jeez. You're liking my life too?
Oh, yo, we live in a different life, guys.
There's a lot of high things he's doing today. He's very energetic today.
Yo, we about to fucking do some work, bro. That's why. Let me know when to stop backing up.
Alright, I'm gonna leave the camera in the front.
Yeah.
Beast, you got a heart from Beast on TikTok?
Yo, thank you, Beast. Appreciate that, my boy. I appreciate all the support, my dog.
Hey, sad to say though, this car never leaks oil. Huh? This car has not leaked oil. Look, the cardboard, it's just water. Just water from the AC.
Nice.
So no oil leaks.
Good on that. We got a diamond in the rough here, too. It's not even rough, to be honest. All right, we're gonna put this on the lift, right? But we're not gonna work on it.
We're just gonna get it to raise it up and make sure everything's staying up in the air before we start going under it and lifting it up more. Yeah, that's the true test of fate right now. You know? On chat. Oh, there y'all go. Turbo, come. Sit.
Can you look under on that side and see if it's damaging anything?
Yeah, I got you.
Fuck, more.
Well, if it damages that side, it'll damage this side.
Yeah, probably.
You want to drop it and put it back on there?
Wait, where? Where are you talking about? Right there?
Even on both sides, right?
Yeah.
There's a dub Mustang? Yes, sir, bro. Devious, we got a whole lift. Yeah, we got a whole lift in the garage, bro. You know how we move in? The back looks fine, it's just the front.
I think the back was supposed to be somewhere too. The back was supposed to be like...
here. Yeah.
It's okay, chat. We're learning. We're still learning a little bit, chat.
Yeah, Devious, bro. Having a lift in the garage makes so much of a difference, bro. Makes a huge difference.
So, I think what needs to happen then, right? Is this thing needs to come out.
Where's my phone? You have my phone.
Yeah, I put it on the side over there.
The what? Oh, I see it. It's not beverage. I found my beverage chat. My Powerade. Tomorrow, right? I have to come over and do dad's oil change. So I'll just do that. Quick and done. Right?
Okay.
I don't need help with that though. That takes me like 10 minutes.
I think this is it though. I don't really know.
I don't know, man. Let me look back at the diagram.
Like it's right behind the side skirt, right?
I'm looking, hold on. Yeah, it's like right behind the side skirt.
Maybe that's it.
It looks like it's on the axles.
No,
the axles.
There's one on the side. I want the side ones.
Huh? You want the inside ones?
No, they're like the ones that are more outside.
Yeah, look.
It's a different diagram. Yeah, so these two. Ones I'm looking at.
Just the back. Yeah.
That's like right after the side skirt. So that's
Yeah.
that thing going on.
Okay. And the fronts are the exact same place, basically, but in the front.
No, the fronts are more in, I think.
Not like barely. Look. It's like barely more in.
Okay, I see.
Typical.
Sorry, chat. We're gonna get to action. Don't worry. We're gonna get to action. You're gonna talk to us. We're gonna talk to you. I promise. I just want to get this right.
AK.
What's up, AK?
What up, AK? Stretching, guys. Hold on. Oh, almost fell. AK, how's the gym? Jimmy, good? Yes, sir. Where are you at now? Did you get any, are you still bulking or are you cutting? Or are you like just, what are you doing now? What up, Dream? Dreamer. Let's go, Dream. How we doing, baby girl? BBG. Bro, I go to the gym, but I be going mad late, bro. Like, by the time you snap me and I snap you back, I already left. Last time I went was Thursday.
Oh my God.
I didn't go Friday. No, I didn't go Thursday or Friday because I didn't have time. Did you get it?
Yep.
This took a little bit of convincing. Chat. Faya bought me Wendy's this morning for breakfast. It was very yummy. I ate it in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, they didn't even wait for me.
Yo, you were taking a dump, bro. I'm not waiting for you to take a dump for me to go eat.
I've been waiting for you when you gotta take it.
Imagine you go under the malfunction in the car. Dream, shut up, bro.
I think that's good enough.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. All right, chat. Take two. That's all this is. This is just take two.
It's high.
Things happen, chat. Things happen. All right, chat.
My uncle, his cousin.
Yeah, my cousin. Yeah, you're right. My cousin. This is their shop in Canada.
Toronto,
You
eh?
know, Toronto, eh?
North York.
Toronto?
North York.
North York?
I think it was
We can
North
hook you
York.
up. It's somewhere in Toronto, guys. If you're in Toronto, we can hook you up. We got you. One thing I noticed from this car chat, and that's why we're definitely gonna need to wrap it. This bumper, look at the fucking orange peel on this paint. This shit was spray painted with fucking, like, this was can paint. This is can paint because it was fucking, it's a black car. So it's easy, but it's okay, it's smooth. What's important is that, it's semi-smooth. So we're gonna smooth it out a little more before we wrap it. We could have lifted it up higher too, chat, but this is cooler. Now I can just slide my flat ass straight underneath the car. I can actually lower it a little bit. Basically, I'll let Dylan come just now and show you guys.
Pause.
Filters here, pause. And the oil thing is here. So what's interesting is we're gonna have to drain the oil first and then come back to the filter later because the filter is in a completely different spot. So I'm gonna find out what bolt goes on here. I think it's gonna be a 16 for my car because I need to get the let's see. Yo, stick with me, bro. Stick with me. You're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna learn a lot, my boy. I'm gonna teach you everything. I'm gonna teach all, yo, everybody in chat, bro. You're gonna learn with me and whatever. It's hot? Oh shit. Y'all are gonna learn with me and then the things that. You want the ball turbo? The other thing, yeah, bring it under here, bro.
So safe. I don't know why.
We're playing a little dangerous game for the clips, chat. What's up, guy? How do you? Yeah. So y'all like the angle? Yo, W stream, W cat. What's your cat's name? What is your cat's name? All right. So normally, I wouldn't really like to do this with a breaker bar, but fuck it. So where do we gotta go? That's right again.
You gotta move it out. Remember physics.
Yeah. Well, it's not gonna spill oil as soon as you crack it, chat.
No, but I'm saying it's gonna fly out once you get on.
Did you find a thing? You didn't find it. I'm gonna go find it. What's hard about it? Using a breaker bar right now? There we go. Okay, chat. This is gonna be difficult as fuck, chat. There's gonna be so much oil. I ain't gonna lie, my hand kind of hurts from when the fucking thing fell on. Yo, it's like a little tight down here. I ain't gonna lie.
That's what she said.
Oh no, I got wet with oil. That's what she said.
Huh?
At the dating party.
Robin?
Nothing at all. Yo, should I capture this with like a... There it goes, chat. The money shot. Y'all ready for the money shot? Money shot! Yo, who was here for the money shot? Say aye. Say aye in the chat. Clip that. Type exclamation point clip in the chat if you're new.
The Starbucks is home my way, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, this oil is black, chat. It's black, but it's not terrible.
Let me get anything of blue towels.
Now, here's the overall problem because it's still dripping. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna close it up. Stop dripping. We're gonna use the blue towel, line up, and then close it up. I'm gonna wait for Dylan to give me the blue towel. Forward, just a little. Actually, probably a lot, right? Yeah. Move the camera and everything. Go turbo. Turbo out here. Want to play some fetch? We're gonna play some fetch with turbo a little bit too, chat. As soon as I pull off this filter, chat, we're gonna play fetch. Alright. Low key, it's probably not gonna spill. There's probably not much oil left, so we're just gonna drop down. It doesn't? Bro.
On this.
Yeah. Oh my god. I can't get it.
Yo.
No, I'm pretty sure that's how I saw it too. Am I? Hopefully this will hold that.
Why should I put the other in me first? Huh?
What I was trying to show, at least it'll be recorded.
There we're good.
This is where I need to take out. This is what I need to take out. And I can't get the thing in here. I can't get this in here to take this out. It just sits here. And it won't let me fit this in because I low-key feel a little defeated. I don't know.
All right, chat.
I'm breaking this door a little bit, but fuck it. It happens. There we go, chat. We got it out.
Or using a wrench to get.
I mean, I don't even know how I get the wrench out. This way, kind of like.
Is that one for the camera here? Just gonna get splashed. I'm gonna splash on right now too.
Hold on. No clue how to get everything out. Basically, I'm gonna catch them. I have to figure out how to find the fucking wrench pop. Oh wait.
You could bend it, because you're just gonna bend it. You're right. Viva, what up?
What's up, Viva? Fucking soup over here. Sorry, Viva. Hold on. Let me get to this.
I think I'm killing the car starts, bro.
Chat, this is misery. Chat, this is legit fucking misery. Okay, you guys are all witnessing hell with me. We're here together.
Chat,
We are
dripping down the
fucking
arm like
here
you
together.
stab somebody, bro. Are you tightening it up?
Huh?
Are you tightening it?
Bro, I'm just trying to get this fucking thing to separate. I'm just trying to get this thing to separate from the other thing. That's all I'm trying to do. Just come on, just separate. Separate, you piece of shit. Oh my god!
You want a rag? Look at his hands, chat. Also, she's cozy in bed, not in hell. Want me to try real quick? Bitch. fucking him. Hold on, wait. I'm fucking him. Fucking him, bitch. Fucking him. Bro, I tightened it more, almost all the way, and I fucking. W Dylan, yo, can we get some W's split in the chat for Dylan? Please, can we get some W's in the chat?
Yeah. Huh? Oh yeah. Chat. Yeah, this oil is a little milky,
But it's in the filter, so it's fine.
that's the filter part. But yeah, when we pour it out into the container, we'll look at it again too. Part we got. We bought this and picked this up on Facebook Marketplace. It's an Edelbrock thing. It's a strut tower brace. We're not gonna put it on today because I do want to clean it up. It's starting to rust, like right here and stuff. You'll see it. It's rusting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unscrew it, take this part out, respray this, and actually I just might respray everywhere that it connects. So I'm gonna sand it down a little bit and then respray it. I don't know if I have black spray paint, so I'm also gonna have to check, see what kind of paint I have. But look, see it's going back in place. Tighten the ball real quick. This doesn't have to be hand tight. This one you want kind of tight. Oh. There we go, chat.
I almost just died.
All
I almost fell.
right.
How can you how can you be low on oil? Is this something I need to worry about for my cars? Yes and no.
If you're not leaking oil or burning it, no, but you might not know if you're leaking or burning. You should be checking it every so often. The oil level usually gets
Turbo.
Alright, watch out there too, Bill.
Turbo. That's it. Pull it.
Pull it.
Alright. Nope, turbo. Oh, wait. Come here, nigga. Turbo! Damn, bro. Alright, sit. Good boy.
Dad, if y'all don't see what the fuck we have to deal with turbo, yo, it's gonna always be up in the Kool-Aid. Don't even know the fucking flavor. New car, chat. New car. All right. Yeah, this the engine bay needs to clean, chat. We got, check it out. All right, engine bay needs to clean, but we here. Oh, this one has the filter. All right, chat. We're just gonna pour it straight in. It's got 6 quarts. I'm going to show you guys how to test the dipstick. Okay? Before we start the car, we're going to start the car and check the oil level. So basically, you want to wipe it dry. Your oil level, you want it to be not higher than that and not lower than that circle. Right? It needs to be somewhere in the middle or towards the top. Okay? And then you're good on it. Now I love it.
It's like the same engine in my mom's car.
And there you go, chat. I don't know where the fuck it's going to, but it's enough.
It's a little too clean.
The oil is a little too clean, so I can't even tell. It looks like it's going past.
It's going like a little bit over. I'm gonna start it this time. And then we're gonna
Huh? Clutch in, turn. Make sure it's in neutral. I'm shocked he never streamed this long. Chat, this kid is gonna drive me insane, bro. I'm gonna go insane. I swear to God.
Tacos? Ooh. Mel's has a Chick-fil-A free gift card for breakfast shit. So I told her she should give it to me. She said no. She said, "What about I take it?"
There. Now, kind of fits.
But when you do the front ones, okay.
We can do this part. We'll do it when the engine bay is complete. Complete the engine bay. Okay. I might mark it. Honestly, we might put it on there. Put it on top of something. We'll put it on there. We'll mark it under the car. The problem is that the oil filter was right next to the struts. The whatever brace is at the bottom.
There's a subframe and there's stuff.
Yeah, whatever. There's like a brace at the bottom. I think it's the stabilize lower stability bar. Some shit. The bar is in the way, and I couldn't get. I have the oil filter thing that I use is like it goes on the end of the wrench, and you put it on, and you turn it, and it wasn't fitting. So we have to do a lot. You're gonna see the clip. It was crazy. It was annoying. I screamed at it, but we got it. We eventually got it. Yo. Put some clean oil in it, and it's gonna be good for the future. I did finish. We did the oil change and we did the alternator. Those two are done. Next week we're gonna do the intake, the coil packs, and hopefully install the stretch hour brace. The week after, we're gonna talk about it tomorrow as well, and let you guys know exactly when I'm streaming and what I'm doing. And yeah, there's some collabs going on next week. There's a lot of things happening, a lot of things going on. So I appreciate everybody being here. I appreciate everybody locking in. And yo, thank you guys so much. Have a good one. Later.